Hey y'all, welcome back. So like I said before, when you work with equipment, you have to work on equipment. Becomes your best friend. And the only way I know how to tie down wood on a ladder rack is with wire, because I'm an electrician. So, time to go work in 100 degrees and tear down an old trailer and rebuild into a new trailer and make it all nice and pretty again so it's safe. So, until the next time. Alright, so project for today. Gonna rebuild some of this trailer here. The previous owner welded down on my points where I would have screws to take off this tray. So now I've got to take these boards out and then bow them in to snap them back into place because I don't want to have to cut that weld. But here's the before, there's the wood. Let's take the long way home. All right, so we have the old stuff off the trailer. Gotta get it all cleaned up and prettied up. And when all of my edges are all cleaned up, everything looks good. Time to lay some new boards. It's hot today.